Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Flossin, where you can find quick, simple explanations for Forex concepts. So we're in the Asian session. I wanted to take a look at GJ, but first, anytime we look at a pair, we should always check to see what it's doing on with regards to impact news. So we want to look at July 2nd and a site that gives information that Forex Factory may not. So the green checks means the news already came out. Why is my computer going so slow? Okay, just waiting for this to refresh. Let's see. Okay. Swiss news. Hungary trade balance. So this is European news. European Monetary Union. Anytime I see European Monetary Union news, yeah, that's pretty. Oh, their unemployment rate is coming out. Okay. Yeah, that definitely moves the market. Definitely. Ooh, we got Fed rate coming out. Whoa. Yeah, we got a lot of unemployment comes out tomorrow. Wow. Yeah, the market is gonna go wonky tomorrow morning. Probably even into the night. It's probably gonna start getting wonky around 6 a.m. So we always want to reference our correlation chart because it helps us gauge other pairs that we can look at to kind of see what our pair of interest is doing. Y'all know I love GJ. So, I think the best thing to do is to look at pairs that are not in the news that have a strong correlation with GJ. So looking at AUDJPY, Aussie Singapore dollar. I wouldn't look at this one because it has USD in it. EUR yeah. So, all right. Real quickly, I wanted to review our new strategy that we're trying out, which is looking at the weekly opens, the previous day's high and low, and the daily opens. Again, the red line. These are indicators on MetaTrader 4. And if you use MetaTrader 4 to trade, I can definitely, and you send me a message, I can definitely send you the indicators. So red indicates the weekly open. The red tracer, the blue tracer indicates the daily opens, and the black tracer indicates the previous day's high and low. So This is our weekly open for our present trading week. This is our daily open. So price opened here, right? This black tracer here, indicates our previous day's high, right? And so what I was looking at was where price is now and what it's seeking to do. So price is actually at a weekly open of like 2 weeks ago. This was last week. See, Monday. This is our current week. This is last week. And this is a weekly open. So from 2 weeks ago, price was opened here. This is the level that we're at. It appears as though we've broken that level, as you can see. But I also want you to pay attention. If I can get this together. On the 1 hour, yes. Pay attention to how price. This is our weekly open from 2 weeks ago. Pay attention to these rejections here. Right? Rejection, 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 rejection. Now, okay, so it's 11:07. Price broke the open and the yesterday's high here, and of course we are on the 1 hour time frame. Keep that in mind. And price closed above yesterday's high and this significant level, which is the weekly open from 2 weeks ago. So that indicates to me that price is going to continue to rise. What it should be doing now, since price broke that level. See, price rejected this level. That's why we have the wicks here. So for 6 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it rejected that level because of the wicks. Now price has actually broken that level, right? So that's indicating to me what price is going to continue to go up after a retracement. So this is going to have a retracement, more than likely, I don't know, back down here to retrace this level. And at that time, I would be looking to buy. And that may actually reach down here around the London session. But it just, I'm going through all of this to explain how this strategy and analyzing the strategy has is working for me. So far, so good. So let's see if my bias pans out. Again, I definitely think since price closed on the 1 hour, and I always do analysis on the 1 hour, doing the 15-minute is just too messy for me and confusing. I like the 1 hour because this is cleaner. It just shows me rejection, 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 rejection. And it's like, wow, why is it rejecting there? It's rejecting this this weekly open from 2 weeks ago. Right? So finally, we have price has closed above. And how do I know price has closed above that? Well, I can show you by changing my candles. This is the previous hour. This 10 a.m. price came here. Price opened here. It wicked down here and it closed here. Right? So we want to move where price action moves. And price action is indicating to us that we have broken, that it wants to go up because it broke this significant level. It broke yesterday's high, and even more, it broke the weekly open from 2 weeks ago. So next time I come in, hopefully it sticks to our bias, and we should be entering into buys. I could have swore GJ was gonna be selling, but hey, I mean, you can't trying to predict the market is like trying to predict when Jesus is coming back. You just can't do it. If you believe in Jesus or whoever, it's just the concept of trying to predict something that's unpredictable. You have to fine tune your strategy to where you have these rules that every time you approach the market, your likelihood of taking money out of the market is higher than the alternative, which is losing money. So we just trying to get this, tighten the strategy up, and get rich. Okay, I'll log back in once I start to see some movement.